today, Thursday, the 29th of August 2024. Hans has reached now the final stage of the restoration of the Michael DMG5K system. We are listening to a signal which is being fed onto, and that is on the counter 551.9118476 megahertz. And Hans, can you point at the bolometer? And the bolometer is being indicating actually the resonance of the wave meter. Can you show me the wave meter, Hans? That is the wave meter. And the knob downstairs is the tuning of the wave meter, but it is not changing the frequency, but only the output of the bolometer system. And on the left you have the scale to the transmitter. And now we go a little bit more lower to the receiver system. This is the receiver, and the scale of the receiver is more or less equaling to the transmitter scale. Can you indicate both scales? You're pointing, yes, that's a transmitter, and below is the receiver scale. Can you now tune a little bit on the tune the transmitter? And please, Hans, please, first indicate what the output is of the detector. No, the output of the detector, yes. That is the center frequency of the discriminator system. And if you tune, for instance, the transmitter, and you can see then what the interaction is of the transmitter to the automatic tuning control of the receiver. Please view the meter, and it only logs when you are on the right sideband, because you can tune at a signal above or below the center frequency, because that is being both indicated, because due to the lack of selectivity, which is not an essential part of the system. And lower, a little bit lower. So Hans, can we show you where the low frequency is being fed onto? That there. Yes, okay. This is the lower signal which is being fed on, which you are listening to, a tone of 900 hertz currently. And when we look now lower, we see here the section where it all started with the time delay switch. That is, when you switch off the system, it takes about 12-15 seconds before the high tension is allowed to be fed onto the circuits. And we are very, very, very pleased today that we have reached this status. Thank you.